Hi everyone, my name is Satyam Garg. Being an international student, we have got an opportunity to work with the Landmark Group in Dubai. Currently, we are associated with the Splash, which is the Landmark Home Group brand. Splash is one of the oldest brand of the Landmark Group and is known for its affordable pricing clothes and premium quality products. In this Splash, we are appointed as the fashion consultant, where we are working to where our work is to interact with the consumers and to know their preferences. Here, we manage the overall store of the Splash and see its overall functioning. We are a part of this Splash and we are working as an intern here. It is a big opportunity for all of us to work in this Splash, especially in the Landmark Group, because it helps to provide opportunity to know about the consumer preferences in the retail sector. And as Dubai is being considered as the hub of the nation of the various nationalities and culture, so it also provides us an opportunity to learn about the various culture and nationalities in the Splash. We also got an opportunity to see the warehouse of the Splash, where we see that how the goods are being dispatched from the warehouse to the retail stores and how they are being managed in the stores. We were also provided an opportunity to see that visual merchandising, how the store is being displayed, what all the products are being displayed, and how the products are being displayed in the store to see the consumer behavior and to take the most of the target audience in the store. Overall, it is a great learning experience and hope it will continue in the near future. Thank you so much.